What is Dark Melon doing?
Now just to let the vacuum clean up the floor.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, and Roane County in eastern Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles northwest of Kingston.
Are you okay?
Hazard, tornado.
Yeah. There was
Source,
a problem with this
radar
vacuum.
indicated rotation.
Okay.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those cops without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado
What's
will be
wrong?
near Anderson,
The vacuum
Knox,
cleaner is
Morgan,
trying to
and
get
Roane
me.
counties until 9 p.m. Other locations impacted include Kenton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Darman, Powell, Morris, and Halls.
Are you okay?
Take cover now.
Probably because
Move
the
to a
vacuum
basement
cleaner
or an
stopped.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying
Now the
debris.
vacuum cleaner is
A
turned
tornado
back on.
watch remains in effect until 11:45 p.m. Friday evening for North Central and North Carolina, and east of inward southwest Virginia.
Get out so that you won't be sucked in.
I got out now.
But what happened to your coat?
Let's just say that my coat was taken off by the vacuum.
That's a pretty bad thing about that.
An administrative message has been issued for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, and Roane County in eastern Tennessee. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Knoxville County Emergency Management. The tornado earlier has now ended. Yesterday at 9 p.m., the tornado was beginning to form. Now at 10:45 a.m. this morning, the tornado has now ended. You're now free to leave shelters. Our government thanks for your
Nota.
cooperation. Normal
House.
programming may now resume.
Our house got destroyed.
Not my camera. No go.
Is that a vacuum cleaner? Why is it coming towards me? It's getting me!
Holy sh...
Not my thorns!
That is extremely bad.
You're correct.